Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are moving on in our chakra series up to our third eye chakra. This chakra is the color indigo and it houses our imagination as well as our intuition. So this really holds our psychic powers such as clairvoyance and many more. So this is probably my favorite chakra. So let's get started. Today for our third eye chakra smoothie, we are going to be making a blackberry pineapple smoothie. This smoothie is so delicious and it originally calls for mango, not pineapple, but mango is not in season for me right now, so I'm just going to be using pineapple today. So the first thing to start with is I have half a cup of ice already in my blender, and to that I'm going to be adding in my blackberries. So I have a 3/4 cup of fresh blackberries, or you can use frozen, it's up to you. But I always prefer using fresh ingredients. And then for my pineapple, I've chopped it up into small cubes, and I'm using about half of a small pineapple right now. You can either use flaxseed oil, or today I'm just using ground flaxseed, and I have 1 tablespoon of it. Next, I have a 3/4 cup of just water that I'm going to be putting in. And now our last ingredient is optional, but I love it. It is maca powder, and I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon. And this is really great for balancing out your hormones. So I'm just adding that in today. And that's all there is to it. Now we just have to blend it together. Here we have our beautiful finished blackberry smoothie, and it has just an exquisite color, which I always love. And now the best part, getting to taste it. So good. And this is really great because I'm not looking for anything too sweet today, so it fits it perfectly. But if you do want something a bit sweeter, feel free to add in a banana or a date, and that will really sweeten it up. But I really enjoy it today, and I think it's really tasty. So please let me know if you try this smoothie and if you add anything to it, and just what you think in the comments down below. And if you like this chakra series, we are moving up to our final chakra, our crown chakra, in our next video. So keep watching. And thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.